This is Google's self-driving car in San Francisco. I mean, this is being seen everywhere around San Francisco as I'm talking to you right now. This is not just coming. With just the app, you can place an order and this car will come and pick you and drop you where you are going. Not just in San Francisco, it's also seen in Los Angeles and Arizona. I mean, everywhere. You cannot just go in 5 minutes without seeing this car ever since it was launched. I mean, it's happening everywhere. Companies are putting millions of dollars into these cars and it is being produced. Trust me, a lot of job will be lost as a result of this AV. This is autonomous vehicle happening. They have cameras everywhere that's seeing everything you're doing, they're guiding you, protecting wherever you're driving. The driver's seat everywhere is being seen with the camera. With just the app, you can place an order just like you're ordering Uber and they'll come and pick you. Now they can stop for you and pick you up and drop you wherever you are going. Trust me, a lot of jobs will be lost as I'm talking to you right now. So if at all you are listening to me, you're watching this video and you're not waking up, trust me, there's a big problem coming. There's a big problem coming because most jobs will be taken away. Imagine with just a click of the button, you can start the ride and the car will drive safely to wherever you are going. It will take you, just it will be driving as if you're a human, like a human driver. And you know the funniest thing? In the first 5 minutes of entering this car, you're going to be feeling nervous, you're going to be scared, you're going to be afraid. Trust me, this is what is happening. But after the first 5 minutes, you're going to be relaxed because it has a display that shows everything, where you're going, what is happening, how it is. It's going to show you everything around the cars. I mean, everything around the cars. What is going to happen to drivers in Nigeria, in Africa, in other countries as this cars is coming? Because this is already a big problem to drivers in San Francisco, Los Angeles, and Arizona as I'm talking to you right now, because a lot of companies are putting in money. Now look at the car has the ability to navigate, to show you what is happening around. So you feel safe and secure. So how safe is your job? How secure is your job? I am bringing this video to you because I want you to understand that technology is taking over everywhere. Technology is taking over everything we are doing. This is a very big problem to all the drivers. So if your brother is a driver, your father is a driver, your aunt is a driver, you have anyone that is a driver, with this technology that is coming in right now, there's a big problem. Look at, you can sit down in the car and see everything that is happening inside and outside the car. And you're safe and secure. That's just nothing but the truth. So as you're watching this video, give a subscribe to it, share it to as many as possible. If what you're doing right now is depending on you, I am giving you my word that before 2030, technology might take it away from you. And you might be unemployed, you might not have what to do. So this is the time you need to wake up and take whatever you should do serious. Let me tell you one truth. Technology is not coming to pity us. It is coming to take away all the jobs. It's going to replace all the jobs. And that's my words for you. So what are you waiting for? Start doing something today. If not, you'll be sleeping on the bicycle. See you on my next video. Peace.